Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, Herman's gonna be helping me with this one a bit, so if you hear some purring, that's my cat. Sorry about that. I don't think that's big of a deal. Anyway, this week we're doing something a little bit different than what we have been doing, which is, working on concept art and just general design ideas for the game I'm working on, and instead working on something for a different game, a game called Magic the Gathering that's been around since, I don't know, basically since I was a kid. It's been around for a minute, And I wanted to, start playing just mainly to have a reason to go out and hang out with people. Because, I stay inside too much. And I think getting out and seeing people in physical space is very, very important. I don't think that we do it enough nowadays. And I used to play a whole bunch of Warhammer, but then there's not really a place to play nearby. And there's a couple places nearby that I could go play Magic. So maybe I go do that. But then right as I'm like, okay, cool. I'm starting to get an idea together. This is a card for a deck where you can have a whole bunch of noble rabbits. They're called Hero Parents. It's a cute deck. It's pretty okay. And I was like, okay, so I'll just make my own because, I'm an artist and people do draw their own cards. They make their own cards, and these guys are $5 a piece for some reason, and I want 30 of them. And I'm not really willing to spend $150 on paper, cardboard, whatever. So instead, I'll just make them myself. But then, Wizards of the Coast, Hasbro, the companies that own Magic decided to be just evil because the people working at the company, the people working for the actual card making and design stuff, wanted to try and unionize, and so they sent a message, a letter just being like, hey, we're unionizing, and just so you know, to respect it, because that's the thing you have to do when you unionize. And the company didn't respond back. And then they started sending out emails telling everyone hey, don't unionize. It's bad. Which yeah, I mean, it would be bad for the company, but for the individual, it kind of depends on the union, and hopefully you're active enough in the union that you can have decisions in that, and hopefully the union is representing you. That's the whole concept. But the company itself has no reason to be taking care of you. So yeah, it makes sense to try and form a union, especially if you feel like that you're not being respected, and it makes sense, It puts me in a weird position because I am someone who's pro-union. I think that that's a good idea, and I think that if more people joined unions, I think we'd have a slightly better world, and then I think that we could go and progress to an even better world from that point. But I think that, one thing that we can do is, talking to the other people that we work with and just being like, hey, you think we're getting paid enough? Is this working for you? Because, I'm going paycheck to paycheck. I don't know about you. I feel like that we really should be at that level. And so, I don't know. It feels weird to be trying to enter a hobby right when I know that they're doing something that's very against my own personal morals. And I think that the only real answer for me has kind of been staring me in the face this entire time. And it's, I'll just make my own cards. I mean, or, get them secondhand. I don't want to support the company while they're not supporting their workers. I mean, because then it's just supporting the people who make money. That's just the profiteers of Wizards of the Coast. It's not supporting the artists. It's not supporting the game designers. If, they're not getting, the support that they need, that they feel like they need to join a union. I mean, listen, they wouldn't need a union if they were treated well in the first place, right? So, I don't know. That's just how I look at it. So it's a little weird. I am going on a little bit of a break here, but that won't affect this channel. Next week, I'm going to be taking some time to just work on the game itself, try and actually get some programming done, a little bit of level design, and maybe get something that's actually playable together to try and get a, first draft out to be tested. And we should go from there. But in the meantime, a little bit of a hobby project and a little bit of a palate cleanser is always good. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, let me know if you want me to draw more rabbits or rats. I think cats are an option, I'm not sure. Anyway, if you liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, let me know. Either way, I gotta thank those people on patreon.com who support me in doing the stupid crap that I do, starting with my mom and dad. I love you. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Vixie Lux. Thank you, Trusty Patches. Thank you, Tofoundor. Thank you, Split. Thank you, Spaghetto. Thank you, Sophia Nope. Thank you, Seraph. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Pig Wrestler. Thank you, MP. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Michael Carr. Thank you, Lunar Ray. Thank you, Katie Valent. Thank you, Josepher. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Freak Wannabe. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Count Cannoli. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Aguag. And thank you, Ants. If you want your name in the credits, all you got to do is $5 or more to the Patreon, patreon.com/RevScarecrow. And I will see you guys very, very soon with hopefully a video game that you can look at with your eyes instead of just art that you can look at with your eyes. They're kind of the same thing. I'll see you next time. Bye.